and today I'm going to give you a modification for a squat and or a lunge. Basically, any exercise where the instructor is targeting these quadriceps and they're doing a range of motion that is just too hard for your knees, like a squat or a traditional lunge, or even something that's jumping that's just too hard on those knees. I'm going to show you a modification. You're going to need a band, and here is what you do. You are very simple. You're going to hold band in the opposite leg. You'll bring the knee up and push out. Do you see that? Knee up, push out. Knee up, push out. You will be amazed at how much this leg press, it's basically a leg press, right? But you're using the band, but you're not putting pressure on your knee joint. Do you see that? So you're doing a leg press with the band. So let me show you that setup once again. If you want to grab a band, you can do it with me. You take the band, you tuck it underneath the shoe, grab the band with the other hand, and I'm holding it to my hip, right? Balance, so you gotta just make sure that you're solid on that standing leg. The knee comes up, then you're gonna push out in front of you. You are pressing forward, pressing forward. So essentially, you're still doing that squatting and or that lunging motion, but you're taking all of the pressure off of your knee joint. So I hope that helps.